Ndex Systems offers a wide range of reporting options designed to meet the needs of both advisors looking for simplicity and streamlined report delivery, to those looking for more complex and customizable yet affordable reports and dashboards built on tools such as Power BI and Tableau. In addition to our core library of statements, performance reports, tax reports, invoices, transaction and position reports, we also offer enhanced reports that provide additional graphics and the ability to include information such as market commentary and company bios, as well as a more modern and sleek look. In addition, we have the ability to leverage platforms like Power BI, which offers a powerful data and report generation platform that can handle everything from the most simple to most complex reporting solutions. Depending on the situation, we are able to deliver an exact solution to clients. As a matter of fact, the largest custodian in the independent RIA marketplace leverages our expertise in this area. To provide some examples, we offer an interactive dashboard to perform deeper analysis into your clients' mutual funds and ETFs. Also, by using daily account and position values, you can dynamically generate point-to-point performance on accounts and households. For those who would like to see their actual allocations to underlying securities, we offer a mutual fund and ETF X-ray report that will break down a portfolio or household based on the actual allocations to securities, including direct allocations as well as those through mutual funds and ETFs. It allows you to visualize the total allocations to a position by the type of allocation, whether it's a direct allocation or through a fund, as well as by account. The data processing capabilities of Power BI also allow for the creation and support of real-time and interactive dashboards for a deep analysis of individual positions, as well as charts and visualizations that will support trading decisions. Power BI is a very powerful data analysis and financial statistic calculation platform system that also supports the ability to create reports such as Monte Carlo analysis and other sophisticated analytics and projections. It can be used to create an interactive dashboard for creating simulations in retirement projections, as well as projecting scenarios for retirement income. Ndex provides a comprehensive wealth management platform including fee management, CRM, trading and rebalancing, data aggregation, and a wide range of reporting options. The platform is offered at a very competitive price level and in a way that helps firms own their growth and maintain their scalability. For additional information, please contact us today or visit our website at ndexsystems.com. Thank you for watching and your interest in the platform.